Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with PA Creative. I'm so excited today to announce 10 new perks for our members. So I'm going to go over each of them and explain what all of these are. So this is for existing members of our Divi Adventure Club, as well as our new membership, the Divi Trail Committee. And so of course this will be for any active member, whether you are already a member or plan to become one. So let's take a look. All right, so I'll just start here on the blog post and go over each one. All right, so the first one here is to mark posts as completed on our blog. This will actually apply anytime you are on a page where there are blog posts. That could be our main blog page here. You can see the new post here. It says mark as completed. Any section here, you can see that one says that one's completed. That one is. If you're viewing all the tutorials or browsing by module or category, anywhere you're on a page like that, you'll see this completed or mark as completed button. And I'll show you why that's important in our next one here. Track and view progress on our trail guides. Trail guides are actually a new feature, a new membership perk. So I'll just go to one of those. So here's one for troubleshooting. And we kind of call it a trail guide. It's just our way of saying this is a series. It's like a course. It's like a free course, okay? And here you can see the progress. There's 13 tutorials in this trail guide, and I have 3 of them completed, so I'm 23% of the way done. You can come down here and you can see that I've already done this one. Maybe if I did it, but I want to mark it again, I can actually click again, and now it's not completed, so then I can mark it as completed. All right, and you can go down through and do that. And as you do that, the progress will change. In fact, let me show you. So if I mark this as completed, and then I'll go back up to this, you can see here now 4 of them are completed and my progress changed. And that also changes here when I'm viewing the main trail guide page. This is also showing the progress here. So anytime you go to our website, PA-Creative/trail guides, you're going to see the progress of each one. So far we have these, and we're going to be adding a lot more. All right, you may have also seen the bookmark button when I was showing you that. So that's right here beside the other ones. Basically on any of these, that one there is bookmarked, it's green. I could bookmark this one. And I will then go, so this little thing comes up, I can view my bookmarks. I know where those are. In fact, I can show you something. Here in your account, if you just happen to be in your account, you can click on the bookmarks link here, and that will take you to here. And it's just pacreative.com/bookmarks. So this is going to be the page when you're logged in that you always see any of these posts that you have bookmarked, okay? And then if you don't want to have this one bookmarked anymore, you can click it and it will actually be removed from your bookmarks. Now, both of these features, mark complete and bookmark, you can't use them if you're not a member. If you try to click it when you're logged out or not a member, it'll prompt you to either log in or become a member. All right, so next we have 2 things related to our blog. Our blog is very, very popular. Millions of people read it and a lot of you comment. And now there's this extra incentive for you to comment. First of all, it's going to show a verified badge next to your name when you leave a comment, and also your comment is going to be highlighted at the top. You may have seen this like on YouTube. If you're ever looking at the comments on a YouTube video, you may see like comments by members and then comments by others. And so that's what we did. We actually arranged the comment section now where members' comments will show first. So on this example, here I am at the bottom of a blog post, and then here I can see there's 62 comments. And you'll see this new headline, comments by members. So Anna Joy here is leaving a comment, and I can see that she's a member, and here's the name of the membership that she's a part of. And so you can see that she commented, and then again, and then here's this second comment here. Now below this, you'll see the next section, comments by others. So it's always going to show comments by members at the top, and then below that, comments by others, no matter what order they were actually posted in. So even if it's a new one, it won't go all the way to the end. It will be based on whether you're a member or not. So it's just a way to highlight that. I have an idea for something that makes this like 10 times even better. I better not say yet, but I do have an idea for a membership perk that would give you a benefit by having me be able to click your name here and go somewhere. So we'll see. All right, next, as members, I am giving a discount on all our merch. Our merch is brand new, by the way. Let's see, I have a new page for it. It's actually a category. And so we have, on our category pages, a new tab here for merch. And then you can view anything that's in that category. It's just a bunch of t-shirts at this point. Some that I created. I created them all. I thought they were funny, like no comment, but it's written as a comment in code. Here's one of my favorites. I love it when my wife lets me code, but it looks like I love my wife. It's just one of those where you're like close and you're like, ha ha, and 404 sleep not found. Sorry, I was thinking about web design, like you're lost in thought, and sorry, I was thinking about my code. So like here's the product page. Here I mentioned that it's new. We're using Printful for that. It's a print on demand. Here's a little description, and I have like mock-ups for each color like that you can see. So you can pick your color and your size. Yeah. But the discount for members is 20%, and it will be applied in the checkout. Now, I also have some other WordPress products. I'm not sure if that is even something people know, but basically, since they're all under my own company, I'm giving you a discount if you're a member of the Divi Adventure Club. And so if you're a member, you're going to get 40% off any of our add-ons at Shirley WP. Those are add-ons for SureCart. So here is our website. We have a discount plugin, email report plugin, lead magnets, wish list, user switching, catalog mode, and we're finishing up one for services, kind of like a Fiverr platform, but on your own website. That's going to be coming out soon. And so basically all of these will be discounted for members. You'll have a coupon code as a member. The same will go for our WP Inbox. WP Inbox is this clever tool that takes all the data from your WordPress website and presents it in the sidebar when you're replying to someone, a user on your website. And it's so awesome. There's nothing else like it. It's an invention of mine. It's pretty much like, you get all these questions, what's my order status, or how do I do this or this or that? And it's like, in your inbox, you don't have that context. You would have to go and search for that user and see what they bought and see what membership they have or what course they're taking and all these things. Whereas this now takes it and saves you lots of steps. And like here, like it puts it all like right in your sidebar. So like here's the orders and puts that all in subscriptions and memberships and courses and donations and email marketing and all that. So you get a discount on that. And then we have our almost announced WP site launcher. It's coming very soon. Probably when you are viewing this, it will already be out, but WP site launcher is for freelancers and agencies and even for site owners. It's a collaboration platform directly on your website. In fact, let me give you a sneak peek. Here's kind of the home page. It's this interface that basically lives on your website. It's so awesome for discussions and for feedback and for tasks and all these assignments. You can request content. Your client can upload the content directly to that section or that page. You can have approvals, formal approvals for the page or the section or the site, and notifications and discussions and file sharing and all this stuff, right? So it's pretty crazy. There's so many benefits to it. It's kind of like my huge project that I've been working on for several years, and it's so close to being announced. And I'm giving you a special discount just for members of the Divi Adventure Club. So you can look for that in your account. Now, also, all of these products, including our Divi products, have affiliate programs. And you can actually earn a good bit if you have any sort of audience, even customers. If you want them to buy the product themselves, use an affiliate link. You earn money from it. It's so easy. And so basically what I've done, I'm doubling the affiliate commission for all of our products for members. So basically, if you are not a member, for example, on our website, you would get 15% commission. If you are a member, then you get 30%. So it's double the percentage just for being a member. The same thing applies for Surely WP add-ons, for WP Inbox, and WP Site Launcher. And when I launch new products, we'll probably do the same thing. Now, for all of these perks that I just announced, there are 2 memberships. We have the Divi Adventure Club, and then we have a brand new one, the Divi Trail Committee. The Adventure Club is access to everything. You have all of our products. Every Divi product that we create, you have access to. The Trail Committee is more of a thing of like Patreon, where you're sponsoring our blog. You're helping us to create content, you're supporting us. And so the Trail Committee is, think of it for those trail guides. We're going to be making so many trail guides. It's all going to be free. So being a part of the Trail Committee, basically it invites you to become a supporter, but also like active in like, what do you want to see next? And things like that. So we have those 2 memberships, and you can check those out in more detail. All right, so I've been working on these new perks for the last 6 months. So glad to finally announce them, and I hope you enjoy them. And hey, if you have any creative ideas for new perks, other than obviously we're working on new products, so it's like, you already have that. I've had people who became members like years ago when we only had a few products, and now we have like 13 at the time of this recording. We're working on many, many more. So it's kind of like it just keeps giving. But besides that, like if you have ideas like, hey, that would be a cool perk, let me know. I do have some ideas, but for now, I wanted to get these announced. And yeah, just to show that like we're just adding so much value to the membership. I'm not raising the price, I'm just announcing new perks. And so I hope you enjoy this. And hey, thanks for being part of it if you already are. And if you're not, hey, I'll take any questions you have. Maybe you're curious about something, just let us know. All right. Hey, we'll see everyone in the next video.